I'm welcoming you all, my juniors and my friends, and my staff, Venkatramanan Sir, Mechanical Department, Knowledgeist of Technology, and the Flame Committee Faculty Coordinator. Welcome you all for the Draw Squads event for first year mechanical engineering students. Uh, we are starting from the first team, AGDG. If the team is ready for the event,
Please respond. AG.
AGDG.
Navin, just a minute. Just
Sir,
you can tell the event details and the
sir. Okay,
juries
sir.
or the members who will monitor the thing and who will coordinate all the thing. You can just explain to them and
Okay, sir.
how much time period and other constraint, whatever you planned, you can just share.
Yes, sir. I can explain it. First of all, the draw squad events is made for first year mechanical engineering students because of you want to explore your idea of a word with your English pronunciations and in English fluency and vocabularies. It is the major thing of draw squad and main concept of that. The coordinators, sorry, and event coordinators of these events, Flame Committee executives Uday Kumar and myself, Sanmugha Prasad, Jiva Aravind, and Raja, etc. Uh, why we have a PPT for you, and we have to present it when you are started to accept our event from the team wise. Okay, you select a PPT, then we are presenting that. In the PPT, there are 5 words in that. You can search in Google or refer any books about the words and explain few minutes about the word which you are selected by one from the team. Each member from the team want to explain some words in the PPT. This is the concept of draw squads. Each team gives 5 minutes to that. Show your boldness and your vocabulary and your fluency and your English strength, etc. In that. All the best to all the participants and my dear juniors. If any doubts in that, please raise your hands and ask that. Juniors, are you clear?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, First team is ready for that. AGDG. Are you ready? Please respond. If you are first, you have some credential points for that.
In our team, just two members are there now.
Okay. Which team have full members in the here? Full members here. I think KKMS is there, right?
Yes, no.
Okay. Please unmute yourselves. I just present. Okay.
Charan?
Yeah.
Shanmugh Prasad will monitor the timing of each teams.
Yes.
Shanmugh Prasad, are you here?
Yes, Surya.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. KKMS. Did you see there are 6 PPTs there?
No.
Yeah. Choose any number.
Charan? Team members Kaushik, Kavin, Charan.
They one choose பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
Okay.
Like,
Fine. Fine.
okay, okay.
Okay. Did you see that there are 5 words in that? It's my. Oh my God! 1 second. Sorry for the delay. Actually, my new PC, so I have some trouble. Oh my god.
ஓகே நவீன், அந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் மட்டும்
Yeah.
மெசேஜ்ல போட்டுறியா? ஓகே ஓகே
இல்ல இருக்கு பண்ணிட்டேன். It's all done.
ஓகே. KKMS, your time starts now. You can take part now.
நான் ஒன் டவுட்னா,
Yes, please.
இதுல
சொல்லுப்பா.
5 வேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுமா இல்ல எனி ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸ்?
ஆமா.
இல்ல 5 வேர்ட்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்லணும்.
உனக்கு 2 minutes டைம் ஃபார் சர்ச்சிங் இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சர்ச் பண்றதுக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் 5 minutes டைம் உங்க டீம்ல இருக்க எல்லாரும் இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் ஏதாவது சூஸ் பண்ணி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும். அவ்வளவுதான். ஒரு வேர்டு ஒருத்தர், மீதி இருக்கிற ஒருத்தர் இன்னொரு வேர்ட் சூஸ் பண்ணி பேசணும். The 2 minutes time starts now.
சரண், கௌஷிக், கவின்.
சொல்றோம்.
ட்ரெஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரெயின் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். நீங்க?
நான் கலோரிஃபிக்கல்
கலோரிஃபிக் வேல்யூ கவின். சரணி?
நான் தான் கலோரிஃபிக் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
கௌஷிக்?
ஓம்ஸ்லடா.
எஸ்டிமேட் படிச்சேன்டா.
மனோஜ், நான் ஓம்ஸ்ல எடுத்துக்கிறேன்டா.
ஓகே.
Okay, I think your 2 minutes time is over. Start your explanation about the words in your PPT. Hello. Yes, please start. Shanmugha Prasad, take 5 minutes time.
Okay, Naveen.
Intimate us when the time is over.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Hello friends, I am Manoj Kumar, first year mechanical students. I am tell about stress and strain. The stress is defined force expressed by object. The change in object, change in object. The strain is defined change in shape object when stress. The stress is applied. The stress is measurable and as a unit. The strain is a dimensionless quantity. The strain is no unit. Symbols, stress symbols is sigma, and the strain is on the ellipse, and then unit is Newton by meter square. It is a the formula of stress and strain is stress equal to elastic modulus and strain. That's all. Stress and strain. Next.
Hello everyone, I'm Saranbabu SK, BE Mechanical Department. Today here I'm here to talk about calorific value. Calorific value is the amount of heat energy present in food or fuel, which is determined by complete combustion of some specified quantity at constant pressure. It can be also called as calorific power. The SI unit of calorific value is kilojoule per kilogram. Also, water vapor is generated in the combustion process, and the heat should be recovered by using certain important techniques. If the heat contained in the water vapor could be recovered, then it has high calorific value. Some of the examples are cow dung has a calorific value of 8,000, wood has a calorific value of 22,000, and the maximum of LPG gas has the calorific value of 55,000. Thank you for the opportunity. Go to my friend Vin.
Hello guys, I'm Kevin from the mechanical department. Now we talk about the isometric projection. Isometric projection is basically defined as is a method for visually represent three-dimensional object in dimension technical engineering drawings. It is an anisometric projection in which the three coordinate axes appears equally 4 times and the angle between any two of them in 120 degrees. Some 3D shapes are using the isometric drawing methods. The black dimension are the two lengths found in the orthographic projection. The red dimensions are used when drawing with the isometric drawing method. That's all about the isometric. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kaushik Sama from first year mechanical engineering. I'm now going to talk about Ohm's law. Ohm's law. First, Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. It is a potential difference between 2 points is directly proportional to electricity. The SI unit of Ohm's law is ohms. It's denoted by ohm. Applications of Ohm's law is Ohm's law helps determine voltage, current, impedance, or resistance of a linear electric circuit when other two quantities are known to us. There are some limitations in Ohm's law. First, the Ohm's law is applicable only for unilateral networks. Ohm's law is not applicable to nonlinear elements. Yes, that's all. Over to my friend.
Next one is graphite. Graphite energy. As graphite theory states the crack will projected when the reduction in potential energy occurs due to the crack growth is greater than or equal to the energy in surface energy. The theory applicable for elastic materials. And next unit is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, team.
KMS team. Thank you, team.
Done a great job. Okay, over to next team.
Yeah, thank you, KKMS team. Wonderful speech of your slang and your vocabularies are good in from first year itself. You've done all 5 words. Appreciating that. Okay, can we move on to next? Which team are? If AGS team has full members here.
Yes, no.
Okay. Can we start?
Yes, no.
Okay, right. Did you see? Choose any number except 1.
3.
3.
Oh.
5. Okay. Let me see. You can see that.
Yeah. Yes, no.
2 minutes for searching starts now.
Your 2 minutes starts now.
Anandan.
Refrigerator. Refrigerators.
Point down.
Time is over.
Hi, I am P. Sudarshan from Mechanical Department. I am going to talk about refrigerator. A refrigerator is a home appliance consisting of a thermally insulated compartment, and it has a heat pump, and it is a mechanical product, and the heat transfer from its inside to the external environment so that it is cooled to a temperature. Over to Anandan. Anandan? Okay, I itself talk about desertification. Desertification is a type of land degradation in drylands in which the biological productivity is lost due to natural process or induced by human activity, where fertile areas become increasingly arid. That is, desertification is caused by the human causes and by also the natural means also. Next, nuclear fission. The nuclear fission is a process where the nucleus of an atom is split into two or more small nuclei, known as fission product. The fission of heavy elements is an exothermic reaction, and a huge amount of energy is released during this nuclear fission process. Then biodiversity. The biodiversity is a term used to describe the enormous variety of life on Earth. Example: plants, animals, humans, bacteria that are all living on the Earth. Finally, the elasticity. The elasticity is an economic measure of how sensitive an economic factor is to another. For example, changes in price for supply of demand, or changes in demand to change in income. Example of elastic goods induce clothing or electronics, while inelastic goods or items like food and prescription drugs. No?
நவீன் நவீன் F4 பிரஸ் பண்ணு, F4 பிரஸ் பண்ணு.
Yeah, if I'm audible now. Okay, thank you. Okay, well done, team AGS. நல்லா பண்ணீங்க. Very good. Your English pronunciation also good. And someone took three head words in that. It's amazing. Good team lead work and good teamwork with you. Excellent pronunciation. Very excellent pronunciation is also there. It's good in your level of English. Nice. Okay. Now I want to share my screen. Okay. Next team, DSPA is all participants are there.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Fine.
Anandan, Praveen, Sabari.
Yeah, choose a number except 1 and 3.
5, bro.
5. Fine. Your searching time starts now.
Dhananjay,
Praveen,
nuclear
super,
hazard
super conduct. Okay. நான் சூப்பர் கண்டக்டிங் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
Dhananjay, nuclear hazard எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
ஓகே சத்ரி.
Mapping எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
ஓகேடா.
The environment or the faculty released to environment reactors threat posed by a invisible environment by presence of radioactive materials such as radionuclides and energy or
Time over.
radiation such as
Okay, times are over. Start one by one.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am Dhanashekhar. I'm from the mechanical department first year. Today I am going to talk about the superconductors. Superconductors and the superconducting materials are the metals, ceramics, organic materials are heavily doped semiconductors that conduct the electricity without the resistance. Superconducting materials can transport the electrons with no resistance and hence the release of the heat, sound and other energy forms. For examples, the gold, silver and copper are the superconducting materials. Thank you, friends. Over to the Sabri.
to the one and present here. I am Sabri from First Mechanical. Going to talk about a nuclear hazardous. Nuclear hazard threat poses invisible contamination the environment by the presence of radioactive material such as radionuclides, water and the soil. The radionuclides eliminates high energy particles such as and electromagnetic radiation such as gamma rays. Then radiation accident is by the International Atomic Energy Agency IAEA and that has led to significant consequences that includes method in activity to the reactor's core melt. Thank you for the giving.
Good afternoon, everyone present here. I am M. Anandan from Mechanical Department. I am talking about fatigue. It is one of the treatment of human beings. Fatigue can cause that are due to underdialing disease. Example include lack of sleep, heavy exertion, jet lag, large meal or aging, feeling overtired with low energy and a strong desire to sleep that interfere with normal daily activities. Symptoms of fatigue, emotional concerns and stress. Fatigue is a common symptom of mental health problems such as depression and griefs.
தம்பி சாரி டு டிஸ்டர்ப் யூ. ஃபெட்டிக்கும் இந்த ஃபெட்டிக் மெக்கானிக்கல், நம்ம எல்லாமே மெக்கானிக்கல் தானே, மெக்கானிக்கல் ரிலேட்டட் தானே?
மெக்கானிக்கல் ரிலேட்டடா நீங்க பேசணும்.
Bro, fatigue mechanical related meaning தெரியல bro உங்களுக்கு.
Okay, you can continue. Udaya, let's leave.
Okay.
Please continue.
மெக்கானிக்கல் பத்தி பேசலாம்.
Yeah.
Fatigue mechanical properties. Material fatigue is a phenomenon where structure fail when subjected to cyclic load. This type of structural damage occurs even when the experienced stress range is far below the static material strength. Fatigue is the most common source behind failures of mechanical structures. Thanks for giving this opportunity.
All done.
Good afternoon, honorable present here. My name is Yasmavin. Now we are discuss about knocking. Knocking is a smart in-action internal combustion engines. It does occurs contributions of some of the air and fuel nature.
Okay, your time is ended. Okay, thanks for attending. Dhanasekhar, your first impression is fabulously done. It's very good. The other peoples are also done your job great. Okay, next team, if ready. AGD. Okay, let's continue. Okay, MNSR is ready now.
Bro,
MNSR is ready. Yeah.
Bro, in our team, two participants are not ready, bro. One have a problem with their connectivity, and other had many medical emergency. So they both are not able to attend the meeting.
Okay, okay. I will complete first team. We will wait for them for network connectivity, and I will come you last. Are you okay with that?
Bro, can we other two can compete this?
Can. Yes, it can, but we can wait for the network network problem people. Okay, I will complete first AGDG. Are you all participants are available here?
No, bro, only two are there.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, AGDG, you can start now. 1 second, I will share that. Okay, 1 second. Hey, odd numbers are gone. Okay, choose a number.
Deepak, can we take two?
If now AGDG is participating, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Okay, okay. Choose a number.
Deepak, Deepak,
2 is okay.
Two.
Deepak, are you in the line?
I had two. So I'm opening two. Okay, wonderful topics. Okay, you can. Your search time is active. Start.
Deepak, you can take ecosystem and rolling resistance.
Okay, Arun Kumar.
Shifting time is over.
You can start. AGDG team, you can start your explanation about the works.
Good afternoon to one and all. This is Arun Kumar from Mechanical Engineering. I am going to share a few words about thermal heat exchangers. A heat exchanger is a system used to transfer heat between two or more fluids. Heat exchangers are used in both cooling and heating process. The fluid may be separated by a solid wall to prevent maximum or then may be direct contact. They are widely used in space heating, refrigerators, air conditioners, power stations, etc. The examples of a heat exchanger is found in an internal combustion engine, which circulating fluid known as engine coolant. Deepak, over to you. Deepak,
Yes. Good afternoon to all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Deepak V and I am from Mechanical Department. Now I am going to explain about ecosystem. First of all, ecosystem. An ecosystem is a geographic area where plants, animals, and other organisms, as well as weather and landscape, work together to form a bubble of life. Ecosystem content biotic or living part as well as biotic factor or non-living parts.
Deepak, can I talk about the catalyst?
Yes, you can proceed.
Yeah, catalyst is substance that can be added to a reaction to increase the reaction rate without getting consumed in the process. Catalysts typically speed up a reaction by the activation energy or changing the reaction mechanism. Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts in biochemical reaction. Deepak, over to you. Deepak.
Okay, thanks, Arun. Now I'm now I can explain about rolling resistance. Rolling resistance in mechanical engineering. Rolling resistance of a wheel or ball is its resistance to movement caused by friction between it and the surface is rolling on. The rolling resistance of the tires is a major opposing force on a moving vehicle. First of all, what is meant by rolling resistance? Rolling resistance, sometimes called rolling friction or rolling drag, is the force resisting the motion when a body rolls on a surface. This is coefficient of rolling resistance is generally much smaller than coefficient of sliding friction. Then how to calculate the rolling resistance? Rolling resistance of a tires can be measured by the drum test, which as the name suggests is performed by the holding the test tire up against a drum and applying a load to the tire. Thank you. Over to Arun Kumar.
Finally, orthographic projection. Orthographic projection is representing three-dimensional object in two dimension. It is a form of parallel projection in which all the projection line are orthogonal to the projection plane, resulting in every plane of the scene appearing in affine transformation on the viewing surface. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, AGDG team.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Okay, fine. We are last team, MNSR.
Yes, bro.
Can we start?
Yes, bro.
Okay. They choose two, right? Okay. Okay, choose 4 or 6.
Bro, we choosing 6.
6. Okay, fine. Okay. Your searching timer starts now.
Rohit, amplifier octane number.
Okay.
Okay, your searching time is over. You can start.
Soumya, can you start?
Yeah, sure.
Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Rohit from Mechanical Department. Hope you all are safe in this pandemic situation at your homes. And now we are going to explain about 5 topics. And for the first topic, I'm going to explain about equilibrium bodies. Equilibrium is a state of balance. When a body or a system is in equilibrium, there is no net tendency to change. In mechanics, equilibrium has to do with the forces acting on a body. When no force is acting to make a body move in a line, the body is in translational equilibrium. When no force is acting to make the body turn, the body is in rotational. A body is in equilibrium at rest is said to be in static equilibrium. However, a state of equilibrium does not mean that no force acts on a body, but only that the forces are balanced. Then, for example, we can take it as a lever, holding up and down to rise and down an object. Soumya, now I'm handing over to you. Explain about the second topic.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Sharon from first year mechanical. I am going to explain about amplifier. What is amplifier? Amplifier is nothing but a device capable of increasing the magnitude or power level of a physical quantity such as an electric current or a hydraulic mechanical force that is varying with time without distorting the wave shape of the quantity. In mechanical field, the amplifier is used in the linkage of mechanism that amplifies the magnitude of mechanical quantities such as force, displacement, velocity, acceleration, and torque in linear and rotational system. The function of amplifier is the name suggests the purpose of an amplifier amplifies or increase the input signal to produce an output signal which is much larger than that of the input with a similar waveform as that of the input. The main change in the output signal will be increase in the power level. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Rohit?
Now I'm going to explain about the third topic, homojunction. A homojunction is a semiconductor interface that occurs between layers of similar semiconductor material. Those materials have equal band gaps but typically have different doping. In most practical cases, a homojunction occurs at the interface between an N-type and P-type semiconductor, such as silicon, that is a P and N junction type. This is not a necessary condition, as the only requirement is that the same semiconductor, means the same band gap, is found on both sides of the junction, in contrast to a heterojunction. A N-type to N-type junction, for example, would be considered a homojunction even if the doping levels are different. Now that's all about the third topic. Sherin, take out the fourth topic.
Now I am going to explain fourth topic, octane number. Octane number is a measure of fuel's ability to resist knock. The octane requirement of an engine varies with compression ratio, geometrical and mechanical considerations, and operating condition. The higher the octane number, the greater the fuel's resistance to knocking or pinging during combustion. What is meant by octane rating? Octane rating number is a standard measure of engine or aviation gasoline capability against compression. The higher the octane number, the more compression the fuel can withstand before detonating. Use of gasoline with lower octane number may lead to the problem of engine knocking. The better octane number is 95 to 98 in petrol. That's all about octane number. Thank you. Rohit, over to you.
Okay, let's see about the last topic, the insulating materials. Insulating materials run the gamut from bulky fiber materials such as fiberglass, rock and slag wool, cellulose, natural fibers to rigid foam boards to sleek foils. Bulky materials resist conductive and to a lesser degree convective heat flow in a building cavity. Rigid foam boards trap air or another gas to resist heat flow. Highly reflective foils in radiant barriers and reflective insulation systems reflect radiant heat away from living spaces, making them particularly using in cooking climates. Other less common materials such as cementitious and phenolic foams and vermiculite and perlite are also available.
Rohit, you reached
And
the
there
time.
are many types
Rohit,
such
you
as
are reached your time.
okay, bro. And that's all about our topics.
Thank you so much. Rohit, you have wonderful accent in your voice. Keep maintain it and learn more vocabulary to enhance your English fluency and professional speaking. You are very good in that. Okay, we are in the end, sir. Venkatramanan sir.
Yes, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you. Venkatramanan sir.
சார் ஒர்க் இருக்கு போல சார்
Okay.
போயிட்டாங்க.
சரி ஓகே
ஜீவா ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கோ.
ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு.
ஓகே.
ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு.